Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to study history without a degree. Begin by choosing a focused topic and set weekly reading goals, then gather one primary source, one overview book, and a concise timeline. Organize notes by cause, effect, and key figures, and schedule short review sessions. Use mind maps and simple flashcards to connect events and dates, and aim for steady, consistent study rather than sporadic deep dives. In this video, I will show how to study history without a degree. Read actively, mark passages, and jot questions as you go. Then compare historians to recognize different interpretations and bias. Summarize chapters in a paragraph to fix the core narrative in your mind. Use timelines and cause-effect charts to visualize connections, and teach short segments to a friend or recorder for stronger retention and clearer thinking. In this video, I will show how to study history without a degree. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for cozy background ambience, reliable timers, and voice-controlled study playlists that keep you focused. It's compact, easy to use, and makes studying feel a little more enjoyable. If you found this helpful, subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to study history without a degree. Build a toolkit of digital archives, library catalogs, podcasts, and lectures to diversify your input. Create annotated bibliographies and tag sources by reliability, then use spaced repetition for dates and names. Participate in online discussions or local reading groups to test ideas and get feedback, and schedule regular reflections to track progress and refine study strategies over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.